This is Richard with BWE Firearms, and today we got a special treat. We have one, my MP5. Two, we have this nice little case, which is an HK 22 long rifle MP5 conversion kit. These are extremely rare. If the story I hear is correct, only about 75 came into the country. So in the case, nice case, we've got bolt assembly and springs. We've got the barrel insert. And we've got two 20-round magazines. And believe it or not, this is the back of the magazine. I keep wanting to put them in like this, and they go in like this. So, to install this in the gun, we first, of course, make sure it's empty. Take the stock pin out. Take the bolt out. Go ahead and take the pack off, and you drop the liner in with this tab up. Now, I've been told that these kits don't work real well in clone guns, and I can testify that that is the truth. I put this, and we tried to shoot it in my gun. This has, and don't laugh at me, a special weapons trunnion in it. It's just what I had when I built the gun. And you can definitely tell it is out of spec. I put this in an HK, and the square top on the trunnion on the HK, this slides right under it. On this gun, there's maybe 3/16 of an inch gap. So this liner does one of these numbers. And so the extractors end up, when it turns, not lining up correctly. But I'll show you how it goes in anyway. So you take this and you drop it in the barrel. And you push that down till it seats. There we go. See, and it sticks out a little bit in the muzzle, so you can start to get it out. So, I don't know if you can see that in there, but that is seated in there. Now you take the bolt, just like a regular MP5. You slide that bolt in. Actually, probably got to pull it out because it's, otherwise it'll catch on the trip. There we go. Put the stock on. Put the pin through. And it works right. Now, when the magazines are loaded, make sure that's not loaded. Like I said, they go in like this. And that is an MP5 22 kit. I lucked into this one. I'm not going to let it go. I know it's going to be extremely expensive, and I don't care at this point. It's only money. But I am going to replace the trunnion in this gun with an MP5, with an HK trunnion. So this kit will work. And to take it apart, you just go like that. Take your pack off. Pull your 22 bolt out. And how does it lay in here? Like that, like that. And you push down there. And you reach in here. And you pull your 22 barrel liner out. That goes in the box. Box closes. Put your 9mm bolt back in. Put your pack on. Make sure that's down. Slip your stock on. Slip your pin in. You're back to 9mm. Ain't that slick? Well, I'm glad you liked it, and I don't know, I might see about reproducing these kits because there's not many of them, and I'll tell you what, a full auto 22 MP5, we got a couple of mags through it before it started acting wonky. That's a hell of a lot of fun. Need to do something about the mags though, whether I make kits or not, because 20 round mags ain't gonna cut it. Need something bigger. This is Richard with BWE Firearms, and I hope you like and enjoyed this video and learned something along the way. With this year, 2021, with me getting stage 4 colon cancer, diabetes, and neuropathy in my hands and feet, it's getting harder and harder to work. And I have come to realize my own mortality. Because of that, I realized that if I don't get this information out of my head and into videos or into other people's heads, I will take it to the grave with me, and that does nobody any good at all. If you would, please like, share, subscribe, and comment to the video. It helps me with the algorithms. And if you would like to support my efforts in doing these videos, please go to my website, bwefirearms.com, and in my shopping cart, I have an item in there where you can donate money to my efforts. And 97% of the money will go directly to me doing these videos. 3%, of course, will go to the credit card company. I will, take $1. I will take $1,000. Whatever you feel like donating, I would greatly appreciate it, and it will help me get this stuff done. You have a nice day, and we will see you in the next video.